It's about 6:30. We got a turkey gobbler right here, maybe about 150 yards. He's still on the limb. We think we can get him right here to this field. Got him.
There you go, right here, Bart.
Slam dunk. And hey, it's early, so we go right it on.
I still don't think that's the bird we heard from back here.
I don't think so.
I don't think it is.
I don't think so either.
Good thing is it's early, we got time.
Yes, sir.
I will say, that's about as close as I've got to not shooting one.
Dude, I thought any second I was
Oh,
like,
he couldn't get swung on him. But when he hit that road,
Dude,
he
he
put that gear in.
Did you get him just?
I saw him. I got
That's
him
some
coming.
jerker was barreling.
He put that Jameson Williams gear in, didn't he, boy? That freaking catch that touchdown pass.
Yeah.
Sweet, dude. Great.
Well, boys and girls, happy Saturday. We done knocked the flop out of one of them early, man.
This field's been awesome to me. I killed a bird here, right here in the same exact field
A year ago, almost probably to the day. Bart and I yesterday came to this field and saw a gobbler with 5 or 6 hens. It was about 11:30, and made a play to get on him. Bird was gone. We got to the field, so we knew we wanted to come straight back here to this field this morning. Got here, heard a bird that was off in another field, and right as we were about to go make a play on the other bird, this bird fired up. He was probably, 150 yards off the line. He kind of circled behind. I thought Blair was going to shoot any second. The bird was right over my shoulder, and he kind of skirted around. But man, as soon as he saw old Timmy, it was he looked like Dale Earnhardt running across there, son. He comes straight to it.
On for the races.
But awesome morning here in Jackson. We 2 for 2. Let's go 3 for 3, boys. What you say?
We might need to rename this field to Adams Field.
Hey.
Because everything, you always killing here, dog.
Yeah,
Oh,
give me
man,
some,
I need a turkey hitter, dog.
We got some turkey hitters.
Turkey Hitterz.